नमस्कार आणि गोमंतक टीव्हीचेर तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आयज आमचे मदीं एक म्हत्वाचो मनीस आसा, एक म्हत्वाचो सोयरो आसा जो गोंयांत अनेक वर्सां स्थायीक आसा. ताची नामना एक कॉलमनिस्ट म्हणून आसा, एक बिझनेस कन्सल्टंट म्हणून आसा, एक सल्लागार म्हणून आसा आनी आपलें मत उक्तावन दाखोवपी असो एक विचारवंत म्हणून आसा. सो आमी आज येवकार दितात बाब सुहेल सेठ हांकां. Good morning and welcome to Gomantak TV. Today we have amongst us a noted personality who is known all over India and all over the world as a business consultant, as a columnist, as an actor, as a political commentator, very active on social media and in all as a thinker. So let's welcome Mr. Suhail Seth.
Thank you.
Mr. Seth, you have been in Goa for a long time now. Why and how did you choose Goa?
Actually, Goa chose my wife, who at that time was not my wife, and then I chose Goa. But having said that, I've been coming to Goa for almost now, 40 years, but those were fleeting visits. We didn't have a home here. So I used to come in and out of hotels, and I never saw the real Goa. I saw what I call the plastic Goa, the calibrated, the manufactured Goa. You know, the shacks, but I didn't discover the churches, I didn't discover the people, I didn't discover the language. I still haven't been able to speak it, and I didn't discover the genuineness of the people. You know, I've often said Goa is one place where it's not money but values, where there is no prejudice, but there is pride in being Goan. And you don't have to be a born Goan in order to be Goan. To my mind, being Goan is an attitude. It's a way of thinking. It's a stream of consciousness. And, you know, over the last 11 years, we've actually moved here. A lot of people ask me, is this your second home, first home? No, it's our alternate home. So we alternate between here and Delhi. But this is the place where there is calmness. There's a word in Hindi or maybe Urdu called sukoon. There's serenity here. You know, there's an unhurried pace of life. A lot of people say, Susegaro. I don't want to give it a name. I just want to enjoy its serenity, its placidness, its joyfulness.
Now as an outsider that way, how you have seen this sukoon changing over the last 40 years and then last during 10 years?
So, that's a great question. I have seen Goa become more commercial, which breaks my heart. I have seen people from the outside. See, I never say I'm from Delhi or Bombay. I'm originally from Calcutta, and that's what's in my heart. But I've seen the ravaging that people from Delhi and Bombay have done. Even the way they've constructed their homes, the way they live their lives. They might as well be in Delhi or Bombay. Why come here and destroy the serenity of a nice, charming place? Why drive cars at, 80, 100 when there are people walking, people are enjoying the sunset, people are enjoying the beaches? Why litter? The sense of entitlement that I've now seen in Goa, I never saw. I never saw Goa as a place where people would say, we are going to party. Goa was a place where we are going to heal, where we're going to relax, where we're going to enjoy. Today, what some of these jokers have done is they've replaced their Delhi lifestyles in a Goa lifestyle. So what they would do in Delhi, they're now doing here. And what are they doing? They are messing up the environment. We live in a village. A village has the sanctity that no other urban definition has. But today, people are building homes which are out of sync, destroying plants, destroying trees, people cutting trees to build obscenely, obnoxiously bad bungalows. So the charm has gone.